Hello there, this is Ali Shah and I'm back with an exciting video on investments and specifically Bitcoin and crypto, because Bitcoin has just increased over almost $20,000 within the last 7 days. And only in one day it has gone up almost $7,000. That is insane. And I'm going to share that with you. How did that happen? What is the forecast going forward? So stay tuned, watch this video till the very end. So let's dive in. So right now I'm sitting outside. We have got a company which is called ZecoFi. So we transform organizations, we make them more productive and the workforce highly engaged and overall the company profitable. And we do it all over the world. So we are based out of UK, but we have presence all over the world. And we have one of the trainers currently, the coaches, which is communication expert, visiting with me. So that's why we are out and about conducting various sessions. So bear with me because I've got some time. I snuck out and I wanted to record this important update for you because Bitcoin is really not stopping. And since election, it has almost increased over $20,000. Can you believe it was like $67,000 before election and just 7 days after? And yesterday it crossed $93,000, all-time high. But obviously it's the nature of the beast. It goes up, it comes down. But what happens is this, that when you reach these levels, these crazy levels, then the retailers really want to, the retail investor really wants to FOMO in. Fear of missing out is very high. As you know, greed as of now, it's a very extreme greed right now. Everybody wants to jump on this bandwagon. I really want you to listen and pay attention. Don't FOMO in. Although Bernstein, which has just given a very bullish warning, they said, get on Bitcoin and crypto now because it's going to go even further. And there is a forecast by Standard Chartered that it's going to hit almost 125K almost before the end of this year. As Trump makes his inauguration speech on 20th January, I think the sentiment is that Bitcoin is going to exceed 125K before that. Let's see if that happens. The analysts were saying that it's going to cross $100,000 after US election if Trump wins. And we have just seen that within 7 days, it has crossed $93,000. Another news is that it has already crossed Meta to become the 9th top asset in the world. And now the next one I think is going to go far ahead is going to cross silver. It's going to cross Aramco as well to become the 7th top asset. They're not far. It's almost at $1.4 trillion, whereas the other ones are at $1.7 trillion. So obviously it's going to make, the way it's going, it's not gonna stop. And then we see that anything which is related to Bitcoin is also going up like crazy. The angle is so steep. I mean, it was being said earlier by the analysts, it's going to grow at 45% angle. It's going to grow like that. But now we're seeing an upward arrow like that. So as you say, it's God candle. So that's what we're seeing right now. That was unprecedented, and we are back to the levels of November 2021. And it's going to get even more because more investors and even the retail investors are coming in, but also the institutions are coming in. So you see a lot of activity from the institutions. BlackRock is buying like crazy. MicroStrategy is buying like crazy. Just in the last few days, MicroStrategy has also added $2 billion portfolio has been added to that. So they're going crazy. They're not gonna stop. They're gonna keep on buying it, and that's gonna drive the price even higher. So the question is this the right time for you to get in? Because everything is like going through the roof. Still, as the predictions say that it's going to go when 2025 comes, some predictions are it's gonna go around 250K. Some of them are around 500K. So if you watch those predictions, we still have room and you can still invest, but invest wisely. I always say that don't put all your eggs in one basket. So diversify. Invest some in real estate, invest some in crypto or Bitcoin, invest the rest in the stocks. You can also invest in gold. This year earlier, gold was performing really well, but now Bitcoin has left gold behind recently. So that is also quite amazing. And my advice to you is to diversify, create a portfolio, and then also invest in Bitcoin because this asset is going to go up. It's a hard asset, it's going to go up anyways. So make sure you have some investment portfolio. Part of it should be Bitcoin as well. So overall, your investment strategy should be to keep it. And I personally suggest hodling, which is hold for your dear life. Some part of it you can always take profit, because profit taking is very important, because these things go up but they also come down as well. Right now Bitcoin came down almost $3,000 just within last few hours. So the trend, the nature of the beast is like this. It's going to go up, it's going to come down as well. So you need to make sure you take profit so that you can make good money out of it as well. And then anything that is pegged with the Bitcoin, so for example MicroStrategy, the way they have structured it, this company is all Bitcoin focused. And as a result of that, when Bitcoin goes up, the way Michael Saylor has designed it, MicroStrategy share goes up almost double. So it doubles up. As the Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy doubles up. So that is what you need to keep in mind. Pay attention to MicroStrategy as well. I would advise to, if you consider, do some research and then invest in MicroStrategy share as well. Other than that, Tesla has been doing really well since the election as well. The increase in Tesla in the last 7 days has been almost 50%. The MicroStrategy share has almost increased almost 68%. So that's unbelievable. So make sure you buy it in these faster horses. Take some Solana, take some Bitcoin, take some MicroStrategy, take some Tesla, but do your own research. Don't go on my word, because I'm just another guy on the internet. So don't go with my recommendation. It's not a financial advice at all. So keep your fingers crossed. I'll keep you posted. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the like button. That gives us motivation to make better content. And secondly, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done already. So stay tuned for more exciting times ahead. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.